Hello my beautiful friends, welcome. My name is Christina Marie from BeautyAmaB. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, spoilers, and giveaways. Today we are unboxing my Ipsy Glam bag for the month of November. Now Ipsy just did raise the prices on these, so instead of being $13 a month, the Glam bags are now $14 per month. And you usually get a makeup bag and then some beauty and makeup skincare items inside. Every once in a while they will throw in a full-size item as well, but most of the time they are the deluxe minis. I do want to welcome anybody who's new here. Thank you so much for checking us out. For all my return subscribers, you know I love spoiling you guys. Every month I try and do an eyeshadow palette giveaway, and this month we have a big one. For the month of November, it is the Natasha Denona Zendo palette. I just love this palette. Love the Natasha Denona formula. In the description box down below under current giveaways, it talks about how to enter that one. So this one for the Ipsy one is there'll be a secret word that you're going to need to know in today's video for this one. Giveaways are really easy. Be subscribed to the channel and watch the videos in their entirety and know that secret word. So if you haven't joined us yet, I invite you to do so. We're such a fun, laid-back group here. If you could do me a favor, hit that bell button, mark it to all, and if you are watching on a mobile device, go into your settings, mark those. I want you guys to know when I upload. Definitely want you guys to know when I do giveaways, because I do them a lot here. You guys, we are like 4 subscribers away from hitting that 2,000 subscribers. So if you haven't joined us, I really invite you to do so. We have a huge giveaway for when we hit that 2,000 as well. As far as what is on my eyes today, it is the Too Faced That's My Jam Mini. It's just a super cute, fun palette. So let's get into here. I don't even remember what I picked. I remember one of these items is going to you. Cute kind of velvet bag. Here's what she looks like on the inside. So if you see me looking down, my notes are on my phone. So you could have either got this in the purple or the pink. And it says get ready for the most head-turning bag yet, featuring 2 color variations, hot pink or electric purple, with a diamond quilt pattern and the most luxe velvet fabric. Plus it's packed with all the makeup and skincare you need to achieve the standing ovation your holiday glam deserves. First item in here is from Beauty for Certain. It is a concealer brush. I love how it does have, you know, it's kind of diagonal there. And what it says is, in case you didn't get the memo, this concealer brush is perfection with a luxurious, ultra soft feel. It did feel really soft. Sleek design and contoured shape. You're able to seamlessly cover any imperfections, brighten your under eyes, and highlight your face. From Beauty Stat is a Universal C Skin Refiner. This is obviously a deluxe mini. It is a serum. It's the first of its kind. Vitamin C serum features 20% stabilized L-ascorbic acid, the purest form of vitamin C, to help bring brightness, clarity, and overall more even tone to your complexion. This game-changing patented encapsulated system helps provide a maximum potency and the fastest results. From Estate Cosmetics is a precision liquid eyeliner in black. It does retail for $12. Thick flicks, kitten wings, graphic lines, and more. The inky black liner makes any eye look easy to achieve. The ultra fine tip glides on your skin like butter. No tugging here. Thank you. And delivers the perfect dose of color right where you want it. And it doesn't smudge, crease, feather, or run. Apply it in the AM and it's on for the long haul. So this next one is the one that I picked. It is from Cub Cosmetics. It's an eyeshadow quad in Naked. I'll just put some pictures in here. It's completely sealed, and I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do with it yet, so I don't want to unseal it right now. It does retail for $26. This is full size. The versatile eyeshadow quad promises to be your go-to for endless eye looks all year round, including both mattes and shimmers in a range of neutral shades. The long-wearing, highly pigmented, and silky formula will help you effortlessly sculpt and define your eyes. From Origins is a Cheek and Balance Frothy Face Wash. This is a deluxe mini. Kelp extract, wheat proteins, and tourmaline work together in this foaming cleanser. Ooh, it's a foaming cleanser. To help purify and balance your skin, while mint essential oil leaves your skin feeling energized and refreshed. The reason I kind of made that stinky face is foaming cleansers are not great for those of you with dry skin because it wipes away those natural oils. If you have oily skin, then it will help control your oil. So foaming cleansers are great for you with oily skin, but not so much for those of us with dry skin. Secret word of the day is Ipsy. Let's give away that foaming cleanser. I just can't use it, and I'd much rather give it away to one of you guys that can. So it was an okay one. I was glad to see that there were more full-size products in here. So there's 3 full-size and then 2 minis. So that I was happy about. There's nothing in here that made me go, wow. I mean, it was okay. What did you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. Let me also, which one was your favorite item in here? So in the description box down below is a Google form link. Make sure to fill it out. Only fill it out once. Make sure to put on it your YouTube name so I can verify that yes, you are subscribed to the channel. And make sure to put on it that secret word. YouTube is no way affiliated with this. This is me giving back to you to brighten somebody's day. You must be 18 years or older or have your parents' permission to enter. Giveaways open internationally. I am not responsible for duties, taxes, fees, tariffs, customs, lost and transit, damaged, anything extra for it to get to you, and make sure that giveaways are legal in your country. Let's have the giveaway go through December 2nd, midnight Mountain Standard Time, and then on December 6th, what I'll do is I'll take from the Google Forms and the bonus entries, put those into the computer spins all the names around, the computer picks, I know, so don't ask to win, and then as soon as the giveaway is over, I do go ahead and delete those forms. Your privacy is very important to me. So your 4 ways to get bonus entries, how that works is you only fill out the form once, but you can mark on the form if you did do the bonus entries. Only mark if you did do them, if you actually did, because they do check and you don't want to be disqualified. So your first way is if you go follow me on Instagram. That handle is BeautyAmaB, A-M-A, followed by the letter B. Your second way is if you go follow me on X, formerly Twitter. It's BeautyAmaB, followed by the number 1. Your third way is if you follow me on TikTok. It's Christina Marie, BeautyAmaB. And your fourth way is if you share it with your family, friends, on your socials, tag me on those socials. And it's just a way for me to get back and say thank you for doing that. That really helps the channel grow, and I really, really, really appreciate it. We are, like I said, we are so, so close to that next big milestone, and if you can help me get there, I'd greatly, greatly appreciate it. If you liked the video, give it a big like. It really helps out the channel when you do. YouTube will now go ahead and insert another video for you. If you have the time, I'd greatly appreciate you checking it out. I hope that you guys have a beautiful rest of your day. Stay safe, take care of yourselves, take care of one another, and I will see you soon. Bye. Good luck in the giveaway. Woo!